Hello everyone. Project is the prediction of gold price. How much the gold price we using the Python and also using the yfinance library. So first you will have install this library. Pip install yfinance. Okay. So this yfinance library is data from Yahoo Finance API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. So it automatically download the market data. That's why we use the Y Finance. It also used for the stock market. So the next one is import the all library. Import Y Finance as a YF is a alias. Same is pandas, numpy and matplotlib for visualization. Now download the data. So df yf is a alias name. This one dot download. GLD is stand for gold and started. I have give the condition. The started date is 2020. This is the date 1 and end date is 2025 1 1 first month and first date. So you can use any date. So I give the condition starting date and ending date. Then df dot head where I pass the 15. It show the 15 rows. So this is the column name, price ticker, close GLD, stand gold, high gold, low gold, open gold and volume. Okay, these are the column. It show the 15. Now look the shape, how many rows and columns. So 1000, 4400, 4 and 5 columns. Information it show the is a object type or integer type. So all are the float types and the volume is the integer type. Now describe it give the maximum minimum values of all data. So it count the data and shows mean value, how much the mean value is, standard deviation. The next one is the I want to extract the close gold. This is the df equal df close is the column name, close gld. This one I want to extract this column name where I pass df is the data frame name and close is the column name, then df dot head. So it extract the price ticker 2026. So it show all closed date. The next one is the reset the index to. Now we reset the index because I want to make the new column is a days column. So df dot dtext underscore index, this is the inbuilt function, in place equal true and df dot head. So it show the date and close date. This is the date and this is the next is the create a column for the days. A column is created for a days number of days. So df where we pass the days new column name equal df, then we pass the date and then hyphen df dot date dot minimum values and dt dot days. So this code calculate the number of days between each date column or extract the day from the given date. So it's extract the days, how many days in the date column. Now use for the feature and target value, which is the x is the feature values where we pass the days, how much days, and y where we pass the close date, and then print the x and y value. You can use it again, print by one. So it commented by, so you, this is the after printing the date. Now we comment x, so, and print the y. So this is the trigger and goal. X is the feature value and y is the target value. The next is splitting the data, train and testing. So it's working from sklearn model underscore selection, import train test split. Now split into train and test, x train x test, y train y test, equal sign, then train test split, where we pass the feature value and target value, and test size is the 0.3, means 70% is the training data and 30% is the testing data, and shuffle equal false. By default shuffle is the true, so we give the false because it not change the column value. It's working now. Look the shape after training and testing. So it give the 10 is a row and one column. Then this is the testing data, this is the training data, this is the testing data. Now y shape it also the same. Now model, so I am using the linear regression. From linear model import linear regression. As we know the, so it's working. Linear regression used for the statistical method, or it also use the relationship between the dependent value and one or more than independent values, or it also fitting the straight line in linear regression. It show the straight line to the data. Now create the method. So LR, I have used the LR, it means linear regression, and then pass the linear, and LR dot fit, which we want to fit X train and Y train. So it show the linear regression. Now predict the data. So this is the variable name Y predict, and this is the method name LR dot predict, which we want to predict X is a feature values, and then print x predicts, so it gives the array format predicted value. Now use for the visualization actual value and predicted value. We want to see the actual value and predicted value of the gold. So this is the PLT dot figure size, give the figure size 12:8, PLT dot plot date, where we pass that column name date, TF dot close also the column name, label I pass the actual gold price and give the color is a gold. Then again date and Y predict dot label, Y predict is the variable name, and where we pass the label name is a predict gold price and give the color name. Then plt dot x label is a date, plt dot white label gold price, and plt dot title is gold price prediction, plt dot legend, and plt dot show. So this is the legend. Actual value show the yellow color, and predicted value is the show the blue color. So you can see this is the yellow, the gold color is show the uh, actual value. This is the actual value. Is this one is show, and the statement 22, 23, 24, and 25 and 26 also it show the 26 after predicting the gold price is the goes to the 152 above. So it give the value. Now we want to see the predict the next day value, how much the gold price in the next day. So this is the variable name next day dot np numpy dot array, where we pass the df and date, and max is the maximum value. Two ordinal, two ordinal is defined as a position of something in serial number, like first, second, third. This is the ordinary. So two ordinal is the serial number, one, two, three, like that, which it also determine, you can say the determine the rank, just a first rank, second rank. So the so that's why we use the two ordinal. The next price, the next how much the price of the gold in next day, where we pass the method name lr, then predict, and this is the variable name next day, and then print the predicted gold price for the next day and pass the next price, give the 0. There is a plus 1, so it count to the next day, and price is start for the 0. So it give the predicted gold price for the next day is the 87, 81 dot something. It give the next day price. This is the project about the gold price prediction. Thank you.